C1 XL half a rear floor and the tubs. And so this is what I'm going to suggest, I think is going to have to be done with what you're doing, is our tubs are designed for our 57 XL, which is sitting there, which is approximately 2 inches wider on the quarters. So in turn, to keep the convertible top, we've made provisions inside of here. You're going to see the scribe line. This gets cut out for the convertible top, and this pocket comes in from the back side. That gives us a little bit more room for that top. We're cheating every 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 of an inch, whatever we can get. And so I scribed these from our tubs that was in our 62 that you saw here. The outer quarters are different on a 56 to 60, and that's what these tubs are made for, is 56 to 60. So we scribed it like I showed to you on the 62, and we're able to take and slide the tub, the outer flange, over the top of the tub. So keep that in mind. You see the scribe line is basically what we did it, and this is following our floor on the 62. Take and follow that scribe line and just come down to here. Okay, so run that all the way over. Instead of where it curves, just cut it straight off on both ends, and then you'll be able to slide the inside of the tubs in enough to hopefully facilitate your convertible top. That's what we've done on the 62, and I don't see why it won't work on your earlier car. So the way this goes together is, remember, you're going to cut that pocket if you choose to, and this extension goes on there. That catches you another 3/8 of an inch, 1/2 of an inch for that convertible top to go into. So this is the rear floor from about the seat back. I don't know where you're going to have to cut it, but I tried to make it a little bit longer so you have some room. And naturally, this is the bottom side of the car, which is friggin' gorgeous. It's just a nice Class A finish on the bottom side. So you're kind of on your own to figure out where you're going to change that. Keep in mind, our floor drops 2 inches more than yours. Okay, and so back in here should be roughly the same as what your floor is. So here's your tub as it goes in there. So you're going to have your finished top lower side of it. We have some extra here, so there's some room left to be trimmed off. But if you come out here, once you've cut this flange roughly, once this outer flange of the tub is cut, if you choose to cut it, keep in mind you can also cut from this side and slide this over some, but then you're going to have bigger tubs, which is going to eliminate your convertible top. So if you're trying to roll with the convertible top, you should be able to take your time and be patient and plan how you're going to cut this flange to move it in and out. Then this part will lift up over here and move in and out. Is the way I plan on putting these together, which we've already done in the 62, is the floor will be down first. You sit the tubs in there and the flanges, you bring the body down over the top of the floor and the frame, and then you glue it all together. Then across the back, this is our filler flange that we make to bring the floor, marriage it to the lower rear valance. One way or the other that attaches in there. Hell, I can't remember. Maybe it's more like that. You'll figure it out. Hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching.